Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thanks to the universe for this beautiful day. Welcome to Fluent English with M I Shah. Remember, I learn quickly and speak fluently. In today's lesson, we will discuss how to learn English vocabulary fast using simple yet powerful techniques. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. I am going to teach you how to learn English vocabulary fast. Easy tricks. 1. Mnemonics. Create stories or images to remember word easily. Example: to remember benevolent, meaning kind. Imagine Ben is always kind to people. 2. Learn words in context. Instead of memorizing random words, learn them thought sentence. Example: instead of just learning exquisite, say the cake was exquisite. 3. Practice with flashcards. Use apps like Anki or Quizlet to revise words daily. 4. Use the words daily. Try to include new words in your conversations and writing. 5. Group similar words. Learn words by categories like happy, joyful, cheerful, delighted. 6. Listen and read more. Read books, watch movies, and listen to podcasts to see words in real life use. Now you have the best strategies to build a strong vocabulary. Which technique do you find most useful? Comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video.